Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will be addressing a common issue faced by users of the Conga 990, a damaged plate. We'll guide you through the necessary steps to diagnose and repair this problem effectively. First, let's gather the tools you will need for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a set of pliers, and a cleaning cloth. Additionally, having a multimeter can be beneficial for diagnosing electrical issues. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Begin by turning off the device and unplugging it to ensure safety during the repair. Carefully examine the exterior for any visible damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the Conga 990. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can accumulate over time, leading to further issues. Use a dry cleaning cloth to wipe down the internal areas, ensuring you avoid any sensitive components. Now, let's focus on the damaged plate itself. Inspect the plate for cracks or breaks. If the damage is superficial, it may be possible to repair it using an adhesive specifically designed for plastics. Apply the adhesive carefully, ensuring that it is evenly spread. Allow it to cure as per the manufacturer's instructions. In cases where the plate is severely damaged and cannot be repaired, you might need to replace it altogether. Before proceeding, we recommend obtaining a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. This can save you from unexpected expenses down the line. With the new plate ready, align it carefully with the existing components. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently secure it in place, making sure not to over-tighten, as this could cause further damage. Reassemble the back panel by replacing the screws you removed earlier. Again, take care to ensure they are snug but not overly tight. After reassembly, it's crucial to test your device before putting it back into regular use. Plug in the Conga 990 and turn it on. If you notice any irregular sounds or if the plate does not function as expected, it may indicate further issues. In such cases, our professional diagnosis without obligation can provide clarity and direction. Finally, if you feel uncomfortable performing these repairs or if you encounter any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We offer services with no calls and no travel, ensuring everything is handled smoothly from the comfort of your home. Just schedule a service, and we will take care of the rest. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.